Hi, this is Anne-Marie Kuntz, and this is my instructional tutorial on Newsela. I chose Newsela because it's web-based, it is not device-specific, it can work in any browser, and it is free for everyone. You can simply access Newsela by going to newsela.com, and once here there are a lot of information resources like watch a demo. You can see their content even without having an account. You can see kind of their FAQs about why choose Newsela, and you can sign in. Once signed in, you will come to their home screen. There is a search bar here at the top where you can search any topic you'd like. You have different drop-down menus such as library, which lists things by topic, news pieces, again by topic, different text sets that perhaps I've selected or ones that my school has assigned, different collections, and then my own binder. And the binder, as the teacher, has all of the information about assignments that I've been giving, reading summaries, and then all of my different classes. Here in your binder is where you'll find all of that information. In the text sets, they have different sets that go together in different topics. You can create your own text sets, or you can simply, by creating a new text set, or you can simply copy the ones that they have grouped together. This is one that I use for our planet unit, and you can see there are different articles that are listed here along with the tools, and you can see when it's been created. Within each article, it shows you the title. You can click Create Assignment. These other different options like print, save, those are there as well. It shows you the title of the article, it gives you the text level and the word count, and it shows you what it looks like for the students online. You can change the reading level according to your class. So this is a 5th grade level text. I'm going to go back to 7th grade since that's what I teach. Also, when you create the assignment, you can assign the reading level. For the activities, you can have the students respond to a writing prompt, or you can simply quiz them, and that's 4 multiple choice questions that are created already, and they simply can answer these as they're reading. And the nice thing is it has the questions and the possible choices to the right as the article is to the left, and that is the way it is in many of the exams that our students take. When you go to create the assignment, you can select what class that you assign it to. You can keep the article title as your assignment title, or you can change it. And the other thing here is that you can let the student adjust their own level. So you can adjust the text level, or you can let the students adjust the text level in case it's too hard for them. Another awesome feature in Newsela is that there are articles that are provided in Spanish. We have about 30 to 32% Hispanic ELL population in our school, so this is a really helpful tool where the articles themselves are in Spanish, as you can see here, and the quiz questions are also in Spanish. And once the students have read the article and answered the questions, it will show you the students that have taken the quiz, and you can have their names listed here, or they can simply be numbered, and you can see what percentage they got on the quiz that they took within your class, which is really nice. The other thing that's very nice is that you can simply import your class from Google Classroom. So if you have a Google account, you can sync from Google Classroom to create your classes, or you can simply input students by adding their email account, or you can share this class code with them for your class, and then they can simply join your class. Again, I chose Newsela because it's an instructional content platform that can be used for every subject, as well as multiple reading levels. My purpose for providing this resource would be simply as a learning resource for my students. The nice thing is that it can be read only, or they can answer questions either multiple choice or in written form. The intended audience for this resource is obviously my students. The two standards that are addressed through Newsela are 2D, ensure effective practice in the study of technology and its infusion across the curriculum, and 5A, equitable access to appropriate digital tools and resources to meet the needs of all learners. I hope you find Newsela a helpful resource no matter what subject you teach in order to bring interactive content into your classroom. Thank you for watching.